Hi, it's Simone from PinchAPennyGardener, and today we are on a mission. I have my first remote plant a garden in somebody's apartment. I think I'm doing an apartment job. So we're out on a mission looking for the things she's going to need for her garden that we're going to make on her patio in her apartment. So I'm trying to find flower pots. I'm trying to find dirt. I'm going to look for the plants that she wants, and I'm trying to get that, of course, all at pinching a penny price. So right now my first stop is Target, and in Target I'm going to try to locate flower pots, any flower pots I can find, and if I'm lucky I'm going to find some dirt here as well. But I'm going to check the prices first before I make a decision. So join me in my adventures. I'm trying to get this stuff together for this remote garden job, my first remote garden job for this season. Yay! Oh, right. So this is a good deal. My remote client, she's a naturalist, so I'm sure she's gonna want natural products. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these natural flower pots. This is the clay pots, $5 at Target. I'm gonna get this big, and I'm gonna grab 2 of these small ones here. Okay, so I found basically almost everything I needed at Target for a reasonable price. I got the flower pots for $5. I have dirt already at home. I just remembered that. And I'm going to take from my compost, and I just need to get the plants. So far I did good. Kind of a little bit over because I got some things for myself, but I did well for her budget. Okay, so while I was at Target, I did have a thought that maybe I could have found some flower pots cheaper at the dollar store. So right now I'm going to go to the dollar store, which is not really $1 anymore. We all know it's now $1.25. But I'm going to go there and see if I could have found those same clay pots that I got at Target for $5 in the dollar store for a little cheaper. Let's go find out. In the dollar store, and I believe this is their gardening section here. And I don't see any clay pots like I found at Target. I do see though they have seeds here that you can get for $1. In fact, they're 4 for $1, so that's a good deal. And I do see that they have these galvanized flower pots. But remember, I wanted the clay pots because my client is a naturalist, so the clay pots will be perfect for her. But I see that they do have these items here at the dollar store, so if you wanted to save $1 here, you could save them. You could do it because you could do this planting here using one of these pots. All right, so at this shopping center, they have another store called Joannes. And sometimes in Joannes, they also have clay pots. So I'm just doing a comparison just for the future. I just want to see if I could have gotten the same deal like at a Target at Joannes. So let's go in and see what we can find. So in Joannes, I see that they have a huge display of pots, clay pots. But the price here is $9. At Target, remember, it was $5. So, but here they're on sale, so they're like 40% off. So if you catch them on sale, then it's similar to the price that we paid, but still a little bit higher. And this one is not the exact same size that we got. The exact same size we got was a little bit like this one here for $12. So that's the one we got, this size here. But you see they have them on Joannes and they're on sale. So if you catch them on sale, it's a good place to buy it here in Joannes because they give you a different selection, and you can buy bigger pots, larger pots, medium-sized pots, little tiny pots. But we had a particular project in mind, particular size in mind, so I think it's a good deal that we came in here, but only if they're on sale because normal price is $9.99. Hi, I'm Simone from PinchAPennyGardener, and yesterday we got all the supplies that we needed for today's project. We found out that Target was indeed the best price because we went to Joannes, we went to the dollar store, and we found out that Target's flower pots for $5 with the clay finish, which I love, and I know my person was going to love them because she's a naturalist, like I keep saying. So $5 was the best deal. And so now we're on our way to go to Whole Foods to pick up a basil plant for her and spring onions. So catch you later. There we go. I got her a basil plant. This is going to be her new basil plant. All right, so we left Whole Foods. We got everything we needed in there. Of course, I got a little bit more because, I can't pass up on a sale. But we got the plants she needs at a reasonable price. Here at Whole Foods, a plant here is $4, but it's a large plant. So I got her that, and I got myself a little bit of lunch. Okay, so I'm on my way to do the project, but before I go, I have to pick up 2 plants, and I'm going to take them out of my garden to save money and to save time. So I'm going to get her the Mexican tarragon, which I have growing in my garden, and I'm going to get her the peppermint that I also have growing in my garden. I have an abundance of the tarragon and an abundance of the peppermint. So I'm going to take it from my garden and retransplant it in her garden. So let's go ahead and do that right now. And again, you want to make sure that you get some root structure. So like that, it'll grow nice for her. Here. Sometimes it gets tangled up because it's a viney plant, but there we go. So we're gonna give her this. I might cut a little bit of this back for her so she can have it grow by herself, but here's a healthy piece of Mexican tarragon. She's gonna love this. And then I'm gonna go over there and get some peppermint for her as well. Okay, so here is the peppermint. As you can see, my peppermint is overgrowing, but this is just one patch of peppermint. So I have several patches of peppermint in the garden. Let me go ahead and just get this part here and dig this up. Again, she needs to have root structure again. So you want to get the roots and you just dig them up. The great thing about peppermint though, peppermint is a roof surface plant, so the roots don't really go that deep. And it also grows by the piece. But there you go. A lot of peppermint roots here for her and a lot of peppermint. She's gonna love this. Okay, so we're all ready. We're all packed up, getting ready to do our job at 1 o'clock that we had to get everything settled for. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be so happy to plant her a garden in her apartment, and I hope she loves it.